Hey guys, today we have this 2015 Honda Pilot all-wheel drive touring. We're going to be installing this S-VCM controller. What it does, it will turn off, deactivate the eco mode on this car. So you can see, this is a 2015. Show you. It's a touring four-wheel drive Honda Pilot. So this car right now, I'll show you that it's in eco mode. You see that? So that's what the VCM for. What it does is it deactivates some of the cylinder. To turn off some of the cylinder so it will save you gas. So it's a V6 running normally, but if it's in eco mode, that VCM turn it on. You're probably running on just the 4-cylinder instead of 6 to save gas. However, that have problem, especially with this car. Let me turn it off. We're parked right now. So this car has a oil consumption on cylinder 3 and 5, I believe. They have oil on the tip of the spark plug. So you have a brand new valve cover gasket on this one, and also you have a little shutter shake on the engine or the transmission. But anyway, the S-VCM controller will deactivate the eco mode, and then it's gonna keep running on a V6, the whole 6-cylinder. So with the eco mode being turned off, your engine will gonna last long, and you're gonna have a less maintenance on those, like injectors and some other else. So let's go ahead install this one. Should be pretty easy, and with the basic tools you can do it. Let's do it. Okay, so when you open the hood, go ahead and remove this engine cover. You'll need a flat screw to twist this one here, just a couple times, and then remove this real quick, put it aside. And you will be looking for on the driver's side, right by this is the battery, and right underneath here you're going to be looking at the coolant temperature sensor, which is, let me find a better angle here, this one right there. You see it? Let me change the light this side. There you go. Hope you can see that. So that's what we're going to be working on that one. Okay, with that sensor, we're going to go ahead and disconnect that. There you go. The sensor here. With the VCM that we have, I'll show you. Just two sides of this plug. Let me open it. It comes with some zip tie. So one side, you can only go on one side. One goes to the sensor itself, and one goes to the plug. And this one goes to the positive terminal of your battery. So let's go back to the sensor. Alright, so that's the sensor here. One plugs in here, and you'll know that it has to click. Pressing it, you'll hear it, and then try to pull it. It's good. And the other side goes to that by the coolant side. Alright, let me try to get that, reach it there. Move my hands in the way. There you go. Once it clicks, that is good. And then we're gonna find a way to zip tie this all together so it's not touching the the top of the valve cover. Came with the zip ties, little tiny zip ties. So we're gonna zip tie all together. Okay, we got one here. 3 zip tie. This car is pretty hot right now because I just drove it. So zip tie there. That's good. You can actually zip tie the other one, so it doesn't move much when you're driving. So I'm gonna go ahead, zip tie this one. Okay. Oh, it's hot. Okay. There you go. So that's pretty easy. It's not moving, it's not touching anything. And then now we're gonna find a way to get this positive terminal battery. We're gonna lift this up. Let's go ahead adjust the camera real quick so y'all can see it. Lift this up. You don't have to remove this one here, just the one on top, like that one. Have a 10mm wrench. Be careful not to touch your negative battery. So this one, just gonna get that one out. Okay, let's go ahead, remove this top side of the screw. That nut, remove that. We're not removing, disconnecting anything there. What we're gonna do is get this positive side here and then close it back up. Go and get your wrench. Tight. When you're tightening this positive terminal, what you should be doing, you should disconnect the negative first, but I'm gonna be gentle here. I'm not disconnecting the negative terminal, but you guys should disconnect the negative terminal first, and that's it. Then close this. What I'm gonna do, I have this one here. I'm just gonna bend it there, and I think I have 2 more zip tie. So I can just only use 1 more and zip tie here so it doesn't move much. So let's go ahead, do this. There you go. That's it. That's good enough for me. That's it. Double check your work, and then just go ahead and put the valve cover back up, and then the engine cover. Okay, there you go, and then another flat screw. That's it. That is installed, guys. All you need is 10mm wrench and a flat screw, and that's it. That's pretty quick, guys. So that's how you install the S-VCM controller, and this is one of the best one. I researched them. This is the one like it doesn't have resistor, so you be constantly changing the resistor, and depends on the temperature of the car. So let's go test drive the car. Okay, with this package it will give you a warning with this. The engine light will come out, so don't worry, you just drive that and check your temperature gauge as long as it doesn't overheat. So let's go ahead and just drive this if it will disappear, if the engine light will disappear. But if not, you can, if you have a scanner, you can just delete it, clear it. It should clear by itself. And it says also if the engine temperature rise up, like about to overheat, go ahead, put it in the side, park it, and then start it again. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and quick test drive around here. As you can see, I just want to see if the eco mode still light up or not. I'm gonna pick up my speed. Okay, here in this road, every time I come here, eco mode always activate. So let's see if we're gonna activate it. Nope, it doesn't. I feel like it's more power right now. It's a bit more responsive. So this is the same turn that we had a previous video, earlier video when the eco mode was popping out. So let's see. This is the turn. Let's go ahead. I don't see the eco mode. So this is pretty good, guys. So there you go. Pick up my speed up, let go my gas. Yeah, eco mode is off. So I'm just gonna reset this one, reset the engine light, then should be good. No eco mode, guys. Alright, let's go ahead check the engine light on this one. Let's go ahead and check engine light. Okay, it's reading. Yep, it's just saying the engine coolant temperature sensor circuit is high. Okay, so with this one, all we gotta do is just clear it. Clear that. Yes. Might take a couple minutes, but we're just gonna clear that engine light. Oh, that's it. Permanent code. I don't think it cleared it. So if I read it again, all system module. You're gonna be famous, come on. Okay, let's go ahead and press OK. Reading it. So the engine light is off right there. So we're just gonna read it real quick. Okay, so while this one is reading it, I started the car. Engine light is off, so you can see. So that's pretty good. And then we're gonna clear it again. Alright, so this one is showing the same one. Engine coolant temperature sensor. Let's try to clear the whole thing again. Alright, it's clearing. Let's see if we clear the whole thing. If not, I might need a better scanner to clear these. But it's good enough. For me, it's good enough. So everything's off. Happy with that. I might just leave these running for the day to watch the engine temperature. But that should be good, guys. If you have any questions, just ask me, message me, follow me. You can find me on Facebook too, AutoPurlieu. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the subscribe button. Like this one doesn't subscribe me. Alright guys, thank you.